Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to sign into your Bank of America online and mobile banking account. In order to sign in, first thing first, you have to make sure that you already have an account. And if you already have an account, then head over to your Play Store. And on the search box, you want to type in, when you type in that, you could find out the Bank of America app. So you could go ahead and install that. Now in my case, I don't have this. So when you actually install it, now I'm going to use a web version, but then the procedures will remain the same. Now type in bankofamerica.com and it's going to take you to their official page. Here you could see that there's this option as login. Press that option as login and click on continue to login. You could also get the app from the website as well. Now here you want to go ahead and enter in your credential and make sure to enter the correct credential. And this way you'll be logged into your Bank of America. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.